yacht may have given season and I just barely woke up and I couldn't sleep, so I got an idea. What happens if we like do this random thing? Go into the kitchen. I've never seen it in any video. What the heck? Wait. And here the levers are on. What is this lever? Wait. I don't want to pop back. I don't want to pop back. What the heck? How did Pikachu get in there?
Wait, let me see.
How did Pikachu get in the fridge? What is in the fridge? This is
Microwave.
yeah, why is he in there?
Yeah, let's get him out.
Well, Pikachu, you're in luck. We're doing the plush episode. Table and yay.
You're too weird, really. Huh?